Welcome back to this video. Sometimes a friend can give us a contact and text us to message them on WhatsApp. And as a result, by the time you save the contact on your phone and you cannot find the contact on WhatsApp, if you fall in the category of contact not show up in WhatsApp, consider to watch this video and see how to fix it and how you can actually have the contact on your WhatsApp list, on your WhatsApp friend list. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are bringing it to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your contact right here. So click on your contact on your phone. So click on contact. After you have saved the person contact on your phone, then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to accounts. That's going to take you right here. At this point here, simply select WhatsApp. That's going to take you right here. Then click on account synchronize. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular button. And once you turn on this particular button, go back to your WhatsApp and search for that same particular phone number. And the phone number is going to appear on your WhatsApp contact list. From there, you can message anyone. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like. And also, remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.